Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the OnePlus Pad 2. This tablet promises to be a powerhouse, combining stunning visuals with impressive performance. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about that display. The OnePlus Pad 2 boasts a massive 12.1-inch IPS LCD panel with a resolution of 3000 x 2120 pixels. It's bright, vibrant and perfect for consuming media. The 144Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and gaming. Design-wise, OnePlus has opted for an all-metal unibody that feels premium in hand. It's sleek, durable and looks fantastic. Under the hood, we have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which is a beast of a processor. It handles everything you throw at it with ease, from gaming to multitasking. The 12GB RAM ensures smooth performance even with demanding apps. OnePlus has also packed this tablet with AI-powered features like AI Eraser and Smart Cutout, which are handy for photo editing and creating content. The audio experience is another highlight. With 6 speakers, the OnePlus Pad 2 delivers immersive sound with rich bass and clear highs. It's perfect for watching movies or listening to music. Battery life is solid, thanks to the 9510 mAh cell. You can easily get through a full day of use on a single charge. And when it's time to recharge, the 67W fast charging gets you back up and running in no time. While tablets aren't primarily known for their cameras, the OnePlus Pad 2's 13MP rear and 8MP front cameras get the job done. They're good enough for video calls and casual photography. Gamers will appreciate HyperBoost and hyper-rendering technologies, which optimize the tablet for gaming, delivering smooth gameplay and stunning visuals. So is the OnePlus Pad 2 worth it? If you're looking for a tablet with a stunning display, powerful performance and a premium build, then the OnePlus Pad 2 is definitely worth considering. It's a fantastic option for media consumption, gaming and productivity. However, keep in mind that the keyboard and stylus are sold separately. That's it for this review. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tech content. Thanks for watching.